Students, we'll start with the next topic, versatile nature of carbon. Okay. Now, because this is a chapter related to carbon, we have seen the formation of covalent bond, how they are formed by sharing of electrons in different compounds and elements in the previous lecture. Okay. Now, the number of carbon compounds, okay, which are known to the chemists, are estimated to be in millions. Now, why the carbon forms large number of compounds? There are two factors. Okay, let us study them one by one. The first factor, that a carbon has a unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon, giving rise to large number of molecules. So carbon is one such element which bonds with carbon. Okay. Now this property is known as catenation. Now because the carbon-carbon linkage is there, you can form a long chain. Okay. Now they can be even branched or they can be arranged in rings. These are all carbon bonds, carbon-carbon linked chains, okay, which we are going to study further. Now these carbon atoms can be linked by single, double or ring-shaped or triple bonds. Okay. Now whenever they have got only single bonds between the carbon atom, they are called saturated compounds. But if they have got double and triple bonds, they are known as unsaturated compounds. Okay, so all these compounds are only carbon based, carbon-carbon linkage. That property is known as catenation. Okay. Now this carbon-carbon bond is very strong and hence it is very stable. This gives rise to large number of compounds which with carbon atoms. Okay, now we go to the second property. Now carbon has got valency 4. This is known as tetravalency of carbon. Okay, now it is capable of bonding with 4 other carbon atoms or 4 other any monovalent atoms. Okay, for example, it can be bonding with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine. It can bond with 4 other any other elements. For because of this, it gives rise to many compounds with specific properties. Okay. Now one more thing is, this formation of strong bonds by carbon is because of the small size, because the atomic number is 6. Okay. Now this enables the nucleus to hold the shared pair of electrons very strongly because they are near the nucleus. Now the bonds formed by the elements having bigger atoms, bigger size, are much weaker than carbon atoms because carbon atom size is very small, and if you see the nucleus and if suppose this is a nucleus and the orbits are near the nucleus. Okay, because of the 6 number of atoms, you have got 2 orbits, 2 and 4, so it's near the nucleus. Okay, now we go to more to know. In the more to know, there's 2 characteristics features which we just now studied about carbon is tetravalency and catenation, that gives rise to the large number of carbon compounds. Thank